Hello, it is Isaac from Wood Designer, and today I'm going to showcase how I can add custom panel materials into PolyBoard. If I come to libraries and panel materials, in our quick design libraries, we have lots of different examples of materials, although most of them are just generic. For example, generic Egger materials with some example textures, and we have some example Fenix, Formica, and lots of other examples as well. Although what you're able to do is start adding your own materials and building your own libraries and using the proper texture files that are to go with them. Now, with any material that you're adding, what you want to do is firstly come to New and type the name of your material, and I'll just call it an example Egger material for the moment. Let's say the thickness of this material is going to be 18 millimeters. Now I have two tick boxes here, one of them being exportable. If it's exportable, it means I'm going to be able to export this material for CNC manufacturing, and grain will be whether or not the material has a grain direction. I'm going to tick that for the moment. I could put my own personal description, so a product code or something like that, but I'll just leave that blank for this example. And also I can set my own price per square meter for this material. Let's say, for example, €25 per square meter. And then what I'm going to do is assign my texture file. So I'm going to press browse and find where I had that saved on my computer. And I've got them saved in my quick design libraries under a folder called textures. If I come to my manufactured panels, you can see Egger. We have a few different examples of some Egger materials. And let's choose this one here, the H3005, for example. I'm going to press OK. Now I need to go advanced. And I'm going to set my grain direction to horizontal. That's because when I was looking at this image, let's go back into it, the grain direction on this image is going from left to right. It is horizontal on my image, so I need that to be the exact same in my PolyBoard software here. When that's finished, I'm going to press OK. And now I have that as an example material that I could use. So let's come to materials and go to my Egger example material. Oh, there it is there, example Egger. And now if I go to my 3D preview, you'll see there is that material right there being used. Now, that's with some textures that we have available on our quick design libraries. But let's say we want to do something custom. And what I've done is open a board supplier here on the internet, and I found a range of their colors. And let's say my customer has specifically ordered this Boston oak. So what I need to do is go into my Boston oak here, and I'm just going to simply right click on the texture and save it as an image. And it will save as a JPEG image in this example. And I could save this in any folder, but I'm just going to leave it here. So Boston oak, save, and it's the exact same process now. I will come to my panel materials, add a new material, add my Boston oak. It is from a manufacturer called Polytech, so I'll put that in the name as well. Let's say it's a 16mm board, exportable with grain. Let's say, again, €25 a square meter will be the price I'm putting on that. And let's add the texture file, the Boston oak. And from the image I saved, that was a vertical grain, so I'm going to set the grain to vertical. And again, same process now, I can use that in my libraries. So we can add our custom materials from our manufacturers. All we need is an image file, and then we can add them into PolyBoard. I hope that's been clear and helpful, and thank you for watching.